Most 51-footers ask you to choose between a sporty hull and real livability below deck. The Azimut Atlantis 51 does not make you choose between the two. Built by Azimut in Italy. The Atlantis 51 anchors the entry point of the Atlantis series, carrying the line's sporty hull heritage. Exterior and naval architecture come from neo-design built around a deep V-running hull. Twin Volvo Penta IPS 800 pod drives, 600 horsepower each, 1200 horsepower combined. Top end up to 32 knots. Cruise comfortably at 26 knots. Fuel capacity, 396 gallons. Full range and fuel economy data is available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 53 feet, 1 inch overall, 14 feet, 11 inches beam, 4 feet, 3 inches draft, displacement 22.3 tons, water capacity 119 gallons, a lean, sporty profile from foredeck to transom. The lower deck centers on what Azimut calls the central square, aligning the galley and dinette in one open social flow. The master suite opens through a full-height foyer with a retractable vanity desk, a layout rarely seen at this length. The VIP cabin converts from twin berths to a queen. 3 cabins built into a hull that still runs like a sport boat. 3 cabins, 2 heads. The central square keeps the galley and dinette connected instead of separated. The master suite foyer and retractable vanity desk set this apart from anything else in its class. Bottom line, the Atlantis 51 is built for owners who want sport boat performance without giving up a real cruising interior. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.